Hey y'all, welcome to the disaster I call my master closet. It's awful in here. It is a jumbled mess. And that's my husband's side, and honestly I'm not gonna do a whole lot with his side, just maybe some tidying up. But it's a disaster. We moved in here 2 years ago, and honestly everything is pretty much where it was sat the day we moved in. I have started a pile of clothes I no longer wear or that fit me. I have started that, but that's about as far as it's gotten. So what I'm going to attempt to do is tidy up my closet. I'm going to take all my leggings that you see here and I'm going to put them in a dresser drawer. And I'm going to use that I bought a while back. And since we're in Alabama, we have a few more months of some hot weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my clothes that are more designated to winter and I'm going to fold everything up and put it in here to free up some of the area on my closet and just make it look a little bit more organized and a little bit better. I've got boxes of books. I don't have a bookcase, so I'm going to take all the boxes of books and I'm going to set them in a corner of my bedroom where I will at some point put a bookcase. But I'm going to get them out of here because they're just stacked up. Up there I have 6 kids. That up there is schoolwork for 3 of them because I had a hard time throwing things away. If they wrote on it, I kept it. That bag right there, that old Avon bag, that's got schoolwork of my 2 oldest in it, and I'm not getting rid of those. Those are precious to me, but yeah, I'm just a pack rat. So I'm going to try to get this all cleaned up and looking a little bit better where I can actually get to where my clothes is instead of having to lean. So anyway, I thought maybe y'all would like to watch. So I'm going to get started. Alright. That is it for my closet. I didn't do a lot on my husband's side. I'm not going to go through his clothes. I don't want to get rid of anything he still wants. So I really didn't touch anything over there. I didn't really touch anything up there. Nor up here. But I did straighten out my clothes. I took all my winter clothes and I rolled them up and I put them in right there. And then when it starts getting cool, I will switch them back out and I'll put my summer in there and get my winter out. So my side is a lot more organized and I'm happy with it, and I would have done more, but between life and everything else that was going on today, I got a lot done. So that is it for my closet. Maybe this motivated y'all to tackle your closet, I don't know. But I know I feel better. I can actually walk in here. And so I want to thank y'all for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. Excuse me. Y'all have a great rest of the day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.